Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. We use reported speech to say what someone else has said. When the reporting verb is in a past tense, the tenses used by the speaker change. Direct speech, reported speech. Present simple. I work at a private clinic, he said. Past simple. He said that he worked at a private clinic. Present continuous. I am training to be a nurse, she said. Past continuous. She said that she was training to be a nurse. Present perfect simple. She has seen the doctor, he said. Past perfect simple. He said that she had seen the doctor.